Welcome to our channel Neon Forge. Today I have come with a recipe which is a dry snack recipe, cauliflower 65. The ingredients are cauliflower, oil, spices, coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, masala powder, little bit of lemon juice, salt, ginger garlic paste, curd, corn flour, and for garnishing I have taken curry leaves and coriander leaves. I have already prepared the cauliflower. I have boiled the cauliflower in hot water and I added a little salt to remove the germs. I am taking that first. Then I am adding a little bit of salt. Little bit of chili powder, turmeric powder, masala powder, coriander powder. You can add according to your taste. Little bit of curd, ginger garlic paste. We need to mix this thoroughly. This marinated cauliflower needs to be kept aside for 20 to 30 minutes. This seems to be well marinated. We need to add corn flour to this and the coriander leaves and curry leaves, and we need to mix it thoroughly. Next we need to place a kadai. We need to place a kadai and pour oil, and when it is heated up, we need to add the cauliflowers. Stir occasionally, turn it upside down so that it gets cooked evenly. This is a healthy evening snack for all kids. They might love this snack. There is more to it than this. We need to do one more thing that I will come to later. Now this seems to have come out well. I am taking it out and placing it in a bowl. Next we need to season and garnish the cauliflower 65. For that we need to heat some oil in a kadai. For seasoning, we need to have a little bit of cumin seeds, ginger, garlic, dry red chilli, coriander and curry leaves, little bit of chili powder, little bit of curd, little bit of lemon juice. We need to add the fried gobi into this.
Now the crispy and tasty cauliflower 65 is ready. To watch more videos on different topics, do hit the like, share and subscribe buttons of our channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.